13 matn. Emergency in the air. Havodagi favqulodda holat. On April 28, 1988 at 1:25 p.m., Flight 243 left Hilo, Hawaii. 28-aprelda 1988-yil soat 1:25da, ya'ni PM degani bitdan keyingi 243-reys tark etdi Hiloni, Gavayini. It was a 40-minute flight to Honolulu and the weather was good. U 40-minut edi parvozni Honoluluga va ob-havo yaxshi edi. The 89 passengers were in their seats with their seat belts on. 89 ta yo'lovchi o'zlarini joylarida, o'rindiqlarida edi. O'zlarini kamarlari taqilgan holatda. Seat belt kamar, demak xavfsizlik kamari on taqilgan ma'nosida. At 1:40, the plane reached 24,000 feet and the three flight attendants started serving drinks. 1:40da, soat 1:40da samolyot yetdi 24,000 feet balandlikka va 3 ta styuardessa boshladi tarqatishni ichimliklar. Suddenly at 1:45 there was a loud noise. To'satdan soat 1:45da baland tovush bo'ldi. Mr. Dennin, a businessman, was in a window seat in the back of the airplane. Mr. Dennin, businessman edi derazali joyda samolyotning orqasida. He looked at the front of the airplane and saw a big hole. U qaradi samolyotning oldiga va ko'rdi katta teshik. A third of the roof was gone, Mr. Dennin said. I saw blue sky. Tomning 3dan biri yo'qoldi, ketgan. Yana bu yerda a third of the roof degani one third ni qisqartmasi holatida 3dan biri degan ma'noda tomning 3dan biri va was gone deganimiz fe'lli fraza deb tushunsak bo'ladi. Ketdi, g'oyib bo'ldi, yo'qoldi ma'nosida. Oddiy bormoq yoki past simple da turgan struktura emas, fe'lli fraza yo'qoldi ma'nosida. Mr. Dennin aytdiki, men ko'k osmonni ko'rdim. David Copperheya was in a seat in front of the airplane. David o'rindiqda edi samolyotning oldida. In front of degani oldida. Ofli birikmamiz ning qo'shimchasini qo'shib beradi. His suitcase was under the seat in front of him. Uning chamadoni o'rindiq tagida edi, uni oldidagi o'rindiqni tagida. Suddenly the suitcase flew out of the airplane. To'satdan chamadon uchib ketdi samolyotdan. Then a piece of metal hit his arm and cut it. Keyin metal bo'lagi jarohatladi, urildi, ya'ni uning qo'liga va uni kesdi. The passenger next to him had a large cut on his head. The yo'lovchi undan keyingi yonidagi ega bo'ldi, ya'ni yonidagi yo'lovchida katta kesik bor edi uni boshida. Uni boshini jarohatlagan ekan. Everything was flying around. Books, paper, money, said passenger Stanford Simpson. Hamma narsa uchayotgan edi atrofda. Kitoblar, qog'oz, pul, dedi. Demak, Stanford Simpson degan yo'lovchi. When the pilot heard the noise, he looked back. Qachonki uchuvchi shovqinni eshitganda, u orqasiga qaradi. The cockpit door wasn't there and he saw blue sky above the passengers. Demak, cockpit door degani o'sha samolyotdagi uchuvchilar kabinasiga, xonasiga kiruvchi eshik. O'sha eshik u yerda emas edi va u ko'rdi ko'k osmonni yo'lovchilar ustida. The first 80 feet, 5.5 meter of the airplane behind the cockpit were completely open. Birinchi 18 feet yoki birinchi 5,5 metr, samolyotning birinchi 5,5 metri cockpit o'sha uchuvchilarda eshigini orqasidagi to'lig'icha ochiq edi. Only the floor and the passenger seats were still there. Faqatgina paluba va yo'lovchilarning o'rindig'i haligacha u yerda edi. Were there degani u yerda edi ma'nosida. The pilot decided to put the airplane into fast descent. Uchuvchi qaror qabul qildi qo'yishga yoki tushirishga samolyotni tez pastlashga. Descent degani pastlash ma'nosida. They were close to the airport on the island of Maui and maybe he could land the airplane there. Ular yaqin edi aeroportga Maui orolida. va balki u qo'ndira olardi samolyotni u yerga. At 1:58 p.m., the pilot made an emergency landing in Kahului Airport in Maui. Soat 1:58 da uchuvchi favqulodda qo'nish qildi Kahului aeroportiga, Mauidagi. The passengers couldn't believe it. Yo'lovchilar ishona olishmasdi. They were safe on the ground. Ular xavfsiz edi yerda. What caused the emergency? Nima sabab bo'ldi bu favqulodda holatga? It was an old plane. It made many short flights during its life. U eski samolyot edi va u qilgan ko'p qisqa parvozlar hayoti davomida. It took off and landed many times and this weakened the plane. U took off va landed ikkita muhim fe'l desak bo'ladi albatta. Took off ya'ni take off degani yerdan ko'tarilish. To'rt xil ma'nosi bor o'zi. Ulardan bittasi samolyotni yerdan ko'tarilishi, u uchgan, va landed qo'ngan many times ko'p marta, va bu narsa weakened kuchsizlantirgan samolyotni.